Hello everyone, my name is Gordon and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this week, I'm going to teach you guys about the uniques and option in Autocad. So now let us talk about option. The first option that we can see is file, and as you guys can see, there's a automatic sense file location, and when we press in, we can choose the place that we want to save our drawing, maybe in .dc or in .dsd. The second option will be display, and here is a color theme. So we can change the color theme to light, yeah, and the effect for light will be like this. But for me, I still prefer dark mode. Okay, and here we can change the background color. Maybe we can change it to the blue color, yeah, like this. But for me, I still prefer the origin color because it's more easy for us to read and see. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the open and save. As you guys can see, here I have a lot of files. And so for those who are using AutoCAD 2018 and above, we can save our file at AutoCAD 2018. But for those who are below the 2018, maybe 2015, 2016, and 2017, you guys need to save your drawing at the AutoCAD 2013. Yeah, here. Okay. So now let's move to plot and publish, and this part I don't think we need to discuss more. System also, yeah, for user preference, here we can choose the units that we want, maybe like inch, millimeters, yeah, decimeters, yeah, there's a lot that we can choose. So now let's us move to drafting. As you guys can see, there's an auto snap marker size and aperture size. For these two, we can change the size that we want. Yeah, when we pull to the left, the marker size will become smaller. But when we pull to the right side, the marker size will become bigger. Yeah, that's a very important thing that I need to tell you guys. After you guys have changed all the options and here, you guys need to remember, need to click the apply first and click OK. Okay, for Unix, there are two ways that we can open it. First one is click here and click the drawing delete this, and there's a Unix here. The second way that we can open it is, is we straight away type the Unix here. Yeah. Before we start to draw anything, we need to make sure that the units that we use are correct because they are mostly requested by the customer or client. So there are 5 types of land that we can choose. The first one is architectural, the second one is decimal, the third one is engineering, the fourth one will be fractional, and the last one will be scientific. For the precision here, we can choose the decimal that we want, and as we know that the greater number of this digit after the decimal point, the more precision the number has. Okay, now I'm going to teach you guys about the layer. So what is layer? As you guys can see in this drawing, there is many lines with different color. So now I'm select the purple line that's a grid, and at here we can see the icon that we can turn it on or off. Now I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, as you guys can see, the purple line was disappear. So if we want to reopen it, just click the same icon again, and the lines will come out again. And now I'm going to teach you guys how to make a new layer. As you guys can see, there's a white solid line, and here we just need to click to make a new layer. First we need to name it first. Maybe we can put a name like golden. After that we need to choose the color. I like yellow, so I choose yellow. After that, as you guys can see, here is only a solid line, so we can lock it here. Maybe we choose a dash line here. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the dash line. Here. Yeah, as you guys can see, the line, this is a dash line and this is a solid line. Next, I'm going to teach you guys how to shopping of what we call edit center. The function of edit center is to let us insert the sample that we want. So now, you guys can see we need to choose the sample here first. After that, choose ENUS, and the file that I choose is kitchen. So now I'm going to insert the sample of kitchen layout here. Now if we want to move the sample to the position that we want, we can press the right key on our mouse and choose move. After that, move it to the position that we want. Yeah, here. As you guys can see, if we want to rotate it, we need to select it again and press the right click on our mouse and rotate it. Yeah, maybe a position like here. Yeah. Rotate it again. Or maybe like this. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you guys a little bit about 3D, and I'm going to draw a cubeboard. First, let us draw a rectangle like this. After that, we need to change the drafting and alternation to 3D modeling. Yeah, this. After that, there's a click this. After that, click the press pull at here and pull it to the size that we want. Yeah, maybe like this. So at here we can change the view, maybe from 2D wireframe to realistic. Yeah, it will become like this. Or we can change it to the hidden, like this. Okay, yeah, so you can see it to the different view. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you everyone, and see you guys in the next video.